So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the black and white notification issue on your iPhone. For example, the notifications look like this. Now here, if there's some issue with your notification, how you can fix that? Simply go to the settings of your iPhone. In the settings, go to accessibility. Right there in the accessibility section, what you can do, you can simply search for reduce transparency option right there. Simply search for reduce transparency, or if you cannot find it, simply go to accessibility there, and you have to click on this option of display and text size. And if the reduce transparency is enabled for you, you'll notice that your notification background will look something like black and white. You can simply turn it off from here, and if in case the increased contrast is also enabled, make sure to turn it off as well, and that's definitely gonna help you. And if it does not, simply give a restart to your iPhone. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.